So, how are you? How was your day?
Yeah, my day was fine, and I'm also doing well. Thanks for asking. And how about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Tell me what's going like. Was it a normal day or a productive one? Did you do something
Yeah,
special?
not too much special. Yeah, as usual, I can say school work and all.
Right, right, right. Did you go through today's topic? It is very interesting topic.
I think it is about sleepy and all something. Yeah, I
Yeah,
just
right,
seen the
right,
topic,
right.
and after that I didn't read, so that's why.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Yeah, I just seen the topic, so that's why I asked. It is about that.
Okay, okay, all right, no problem. It's about sleep. Shall we dive into this topic? Shall we talk about this topic, or do you want to talk about something else?
We can talk. It isn't, as you said, it's very interesting. Then we should talk.
Exactly, yeah, it is very interesting. So tell me, like, do you like to sleep? Because people are so much people like all the lazy things. So are you also that type of a person who likes to sleep and rest all whole day or whenever you get time?
Yeah, right. You know, I also like to sleep, and yeah, as I can say, maybe some people they don't like, but yeah, I like it really if I
Okay,
get
okay.
time. So, and mostly the in rainy season and winter season.
Yeah, yeah. In rainy season, what happens is as soon as we lie on our bed, we have that tendency to sleep. We get the tendency to sleep instantly.
Yeah,
This happens with me. Does this
yeah.
happen with you as well?
Yes, if it's raining continuously, so our body it don't wanna we continuously sleep and whatever you want to do, but don't just go somewhere else. Take rest. That's our body. I think needed. I don't know needed or not, but we are doing somewhere. Especially I.
Exactly, exactly. And what about winter season? What are your feelings about winter season with regard to sleepy, with being sleepy?
You know what? Winter season it is meant to be for sleep and all. Because in winter season, all most of the time we feel laziness too much. Because in winter season, everything out of your bed, you can find it's too cold and all. So that is why we want to sit in our bed all the time. But yeah, we are also a human being. We have to do many work. So that is why means whatever we are doing, we were doing at the time like a compulsion.
Yeah,
So yeah, it is. But I think winter season is a good season. I enjoy it. Even the study it is also happening more in winter season rather than in summer season.
yeah, because in winter season it is so cold outside, that we hardly go out very often, and we have lots of free time, so we can utilize it in a productive way. Because if we have exams approaching, then we tend to study more during the winter season because we spend lots of time at home,
Yes,
isn't it?
yes. Yeah, it is. It is.
Yeah,
That is why study. I can say proper study. It is happen in the winter season.
exactly. And tell me, like, some people say that 8 hours during the night for sleeping is very essential, and some say 6 to 8 hours. So, what is your accurate number which should be devoted for sleeping to
You know,
maintain the regular functioning of the body? Yeah.
according to me, it's around 6 hours. 6 hours. Yeah.
And how much do you sleep?
So yeah, I used to sleep 6 hours when I was doing too much study at the time doing preparation. Nowadays I can say 8 hours. It sometimes it happens 8 hours, sometimes 7 hours. So it is fluctuated nowadays. But yes, again I will fix it. I'm just trying to fix it. So again, 6 hours it is good. I think a better time. You can relax 6 hours. and your body can feel relaxed. And after that, you will be active after 6 hours. No need for kids. I can say for kids it is around 9 hours.
Okay, okay, around 6 to 9 hours. All right. Okay, and what do you think about, some people sleep like around 12 hours a day, when they go to bed, like if they go to bed at 10 in the night, then they'll wake up at 10 or 11 in the next morning. So what do you think about that? Like, uh, is oversleeping good for body or not good for body?
It's not good for body. I can say it
Okay.
because oversleeping, after a good sleep, after 6 hours, 10 hours, 8 hours, I can say your body start to maintain. I can say start to just uh, some chemical reaction start to happen. So where maybe you will be a patient of some any disease. So that is why oversleeping is not good for health. And that is why the people who are sleeping like for 12 hours and 10 hours in a day, so they definitely they will be a patient of sugar, diabetes. I'm not saying it's a fixed exactly it is, but somewhere it's true. And also the timing of your sleeping, like if you are not you are not a sleeping time in a proper way, like okay, you will fix your time from 9 to 4, 9 to 5, whatever you want. But some people they sleep around 3 p.m. and I not p.m. 3 a.m. and they just next 10 to 11 a.m. So this is not a good order of sleeping. So it also harmful
Exactly.
for your body. I think I am thinking that.
Right, right, right. Okay, so has it ever happened to you, that you woke up, like, tell me first of all, are you a night owl or a morning person? Like,
I
mornings please you more or
yeah.
nights please you more?
No morning. I can say yeah.
Okay, and why, what is so special about, an early rising?
Early rising, it's good for health. It is
Okay.
very good. A good fresh air and uh, that time everything is the environment is very peace. So you can feel relaxed, calm, and your body and your mind that can work properly. So naturally you feel natural everything entirely time. So that is I think on the morning time that's a good time, uh, of the best time of the day I can say. So that's why morning I prefer morning.
Okay, okay. So, tell me, like, has it ever happened, that you woke up around 5 or 4:30 or maybe 5 to between 4:30 to 5:30, when the sun rises and you observe the sunrise, how it rises, and do you have any experience about that?
Yeah, I have experience about that. Many times it happens because I used to, as I said, I used to wake up early. So yeah, it happens, and at that time I felt so much like a heaven in the earth. So environment is so decent. So that's why. That is why I said, the morning time it is the best time of the day.
Yeah, exactly. And some people, they have like their battery is charged in the night. They can stay awake the whole night and the whole day, the next day they'll sleep. Some
Yeah,
people are like that. I don't know what
right.
what is so pleasing about the night. I really don't understand that because I feel is that we can be as productive in the daytime. In the night time, we'll have so many distractions. Like, this is my opinion because
Yeah,
if we study, if we are studying in the night, we'll get bored. We don't have anything else to do. We'll switch to our digital gadgets and we'll waste our time on that, isn't it? But in the daytime, even if we want to take a break, we'll utilize it in a productive manner. We'll go
definitely.
and eat something, or we'll talk to our uh, parents or
Yeah.
our family members. So that is a little bit productive as compared to the time which we waste in the night, isn't it?
No, it's really nice, and I can say well said because it is completely true. and I also observe it. I don't know the people who are, late, uh, late nights they wake up and their strategy
Night
of life.
owls.
I don't know, but it is okay if they are comfortable and their night they can be productive in night time. It's okay for them. But I'm also
Yeah,
not like this. I also the daytime I can do whatever I had to do, but in night time I had to sleep the, completely. My battery is uncharged in the night time. So yeah, even when I had to give some examination, I never wake up too late in in the night time. I had a fixed time that I had to sleep and then I had to wake up.
okay, so you are, really very particular about the timing slots. Like this time you have to do this. This is very nice. Some people just waste their time just like that and they don't realize the value of time. So I
Yeah,
really
for
like,
night time I can say, for sleeping time it is fixed, and yeah, something also happened. So I also procrastinate the thing, but sleeping time is fixed. That I had to sleep, then I had to sleep.
yeah, exactly. Okay, so tell me about like, in the daytime, some people like they want to sleep for 2 or 3 hours in the afternoon, and some are like they'll just sleep for 30 minutes, they'll take a power nap, and then they're recharged. So what type of person are you? Like 2 3 hours in the afternoon, or 30 minutes or 1 hour sleep is enough?
Yeah. The second one, 30 minutes and 1 hour sleep, it's enough for me. I can be recharged continuously for the next time. The 30, if someday, okay, if happened like I had taken like 2 3 hours sleep in a day. So that time after just when I woke up, I felt like, I'm the worst person. I don't know why. I mean, my day, I just think my day was this. I have wasted my whole day. I didn't do anything. So that is why 30 minutes and 1 hour, it is good. And after that, I'll have to power that, do something work, another work. And if I have taken 2 hours and 3 hours sleep, so after I don't have any power. Even I just feel laziness entire the day. So that is why half hour. It is yeah, maximum 1 hour. It's okay.
Yeah. Even I feel that because if I sleep for like more than 1 hour in the afternoon, then it is like after I wake up, I feel so heavy, like my head is so heavy, and I feel so much lazy. I don't feel like to do anything. This happens
Right.
with you.
Yes, because I said rainy season I also like to sleep. So in rainy season it happened with me just in a day I have sleep around 2 hours, 3 hours, and after that I felt like headache and stomach ache sometimes. So and very means I can say pathetic day. So I don't like.
Exactly.
Then
Exactly.
again the next time for the next day again I tried only to sleep and take rest half hour and 1 hour. It's enough.
So you and me are more of a similar type of a person. We have the same liking, the same choices regarding sleep.
Right. I find it. I think.
Okay, tell me now, since we have covered a lot about the topic, how is your practice about English going on? How do you feel? Do you feel like more confident about your skills now?
Yeah, I feel because it's been I think 10 days. I didn't do any practice, and now I'm talking to you. So yeah, I felt something I have to have improved, and because in a sudden I can talk. As like in this session, I started to talk without any preparation. I just seen the topic and then I started, and it happened many times. So now, yeah, I'm feeling something, some confidence and vocab, everything. But yeah, I have to do practice. That's also true because the practice, I just realized in the next 5 to 6 days when the consistency breaks, then our motivation is break. That is why I thought I should start again and again and try to keep practice.
Yeah, exactly. Because if you are in continuation with your practice for like 1 month, then you are good. You have enough confidence. But if you take a break of like more than a month, or like if you just pause with your practicing, then again you will be back to the zero level only. This
Definitely.
happens because our mind also frames everything in that way only. Like we are practicing, so we have that habit. But if we leave it in between, then we'll be back to the zero level again. So there is no point of the hard work which we did earlier.
Right, right. That, exactly. Because, we also don't have much environment to talk, and we have only one environment, that our native language. So that's why we are,
Exactly.
I think practice, it is the one option we have to do.
Exactly, exactly. And what apart from taking sessions do you do to practice?
Not, I can say face-to-face mode, but yeah, audio calls sometime I just take and did some practice. Sometime also face mode, but not so much. Not so much. Because as I said, when I started to talk, when I started to upload video and all, so school is open, and I also had to go to school. I had to work, so not much time. That is why. Otherwise, yeah, I also like to talk face to face more and in this platform as well.
Exactly, exactly. Because yeah, now you are tied up with other things as well. So, but there also you are communicating with children, so that's not an issue. That also is somewhat practicing only. But
Yeah, you
keep
can
this
say.
space, okay? Keep this space. Like try, uh, always read an article daily. That will give you a lot of words, and practice speaking. That will give you confidence. Okay?
Okay.